In this video, we're going to look at how the present perfect simple and continuous can be used to say how long something has been happening. Here are some typical mistakes that people make. I work in the company for 2 years. Or, I have worked in this company since 2 years ago. Okay, so let's look at how to do it right. You can use the present perfect continuous to say how long actions have been going on. For example, I've been working here for a while now. Or, she's been studying English all her life. In both these examples, what this means is that the action, working or studying, started in the past and is continuing in the present. You can also use the present perfect simple to say how long states have been going on. For example, I've had my car for a couple of years, and we've been married since 2015. This is the biggest difference between the two tenses. You use the continuous tense with actions, while the simple is used with states. There are a few verbs which can be used with either the simple or the continuous. The main ones are live, work, and study. For these, it doesn't matter which tense you use, the sentence will always have the same meaning. For example, you can say, I've lived in Madrid since I was 10. Or, I have been living in Madrid since I was 10. I have worked here for 3 years. Or, I have been working here for 3 years. There are a few things to consider when using the present perfect to talk about duration. The first and most important is the difference between for and since. For is used with periods of time, a while, 2 years, ages, etc. While since is used with specific times in the past. I finished school, 2009, we met, etc. For example, you can say, I have lived in Madrid for 2 years, or I have lived in Madrid since 2020. I have worked here for 10 years, or I have worked here since I left university. It's really important to remember that when you say all my life, or my whole life, you shouldn't say for. For example, I've been learning English all my life, or I've lived here my whole life. And we also never say since ago. So instead of saying I've worked here since 3 years ago, you would say I've worked here for 3 years.